with eagles, 200 with dolphins, 300 with pumas, 400 with dolphins, 500 with eagles, 600 with dolphins, 700 with eagles, 800 with dolphins, 800 with dolphins, 800 with dolphins, 800 with dolphins. Any bids? 900 with eagles, 1000 with dolphins, 1000 rupees with dolphins, 1200 with pumas. Thanks for joining. 1400 with dolphins, 1400 with dolphins, 1600 with eagles, 1800 with dolphins, 2000 with pumas, 2000 with pumas, 2200 with dolphins, 2200 with dolphins. Enamadri Chandu, player number 30. 2200 with dolphins, 2400 with eagles, 2400 with eagles, 2600 with dolphins, 2800 with eagles, 3000 with pumas. It's going to be highest bid. 3000 with pumas, 3200 with eagles, 3200 with eagles. Enamadri Chandu, defender, 3200 with eagles, 3200 with eagles, 3200 with eagles. Any bids? 3400 with pumas, 3400 with pumas, 3600 with eagles, 3600 with eagles, 3600 with eagles. Any bids? 3600 with eagles, going once, going twice. 3800 with pumas, 3800 with pumas, 4000 with eagles, 4000 with eagles. The maximum bid for the player is 5000. If it is 5000, we'll run a spin wheel. 4000 with eagles, 4000 with eagles. Enamadri Chandu, 4000 going once. Any bids? 4200 with pumas, 4200 with pumas, 4200 with pumas, 4200 with pumas. It's going to be a highest bid. 4400 with eagles. Audience గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు కొట్టాలి. Highest bid Enamadri Chandu వెళ్ళబోతున్నారు. 4400 with eagles. Position defender. 4400. 4400. I'll give 5 seconds. 4400 for pumas. 5 seconds. 4600 with pumas. 4600 with pumas. Okay, thanks. Going once, going twice, sold out. Enamadri Chandu, congratulations, sold out for CFC Pumas. 4600. 4000.